Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I am discussing the solution of this question number 7 from textbook Introduction to Management Science, 14th edition. So this is a question, Aggie Power Generation supplies electrical power to residential customers for many U.S. cities. Its main power generation plants are located in Los Angeles, Tulsa, and Seattle. The following table shows Aggie Power Generation's major residential markets, the annual demand in each market in megawatt or MW, and the cost to supply electricity to each market from each power generation plant. So in this question, they have listed a distribution cost table where in the first column, they have mentioned the city name, and then we have the three states, Los Angeles, Tulsa, and Seattle. So they have provided their values, and then the last column is the demand. Now, this question is divided into two parts. The first part of the question, it says if there are no restrictions on the amount of power that can be supplied by any of the power plants, what is the optimal value of the solution for this problem? And then which city is supplied by which power plant? Then what is the total annual power distribution cost of this solution? So this is the part first of this question. And again, in the second part, they've changed the power to 4,000 megawatts. So if at most 4,000 megawatts of the power can be supplied by any of the power plants, then what is the optimal value? So in this part, we need to make sure 4,000 is our constants, less than or equals to. So here is the Excel solution. So I've solved this solution using Excel solver, and I try to make all the constants and the decision variables as well as the total value of the output using Excel solver. So this is the table that I've grabbed from the question itself. And these all are the solution parts from the solver. So these are the decision variables, and this column E and column G is the constants. And then our objective is to minimize the total costs. So this is my total cost for the minimization value is the objective function. And then if there are no restrictions, so the total value of Los Angeles, Tulsa, and Seattle, these are the optimal values without any restrictions on the power of amount. Then the minimum total cost is this value. Now in the part B, as mentioned, they've tried to make 4,000 megawatts at most solutions. So we need to make sure these values are met under 4,000. So after giving all such adding the constraints for 4,000, so the new value that arrives is this value. Now the minimum cost distribution cost is this value to 65292.938, and the annual decrease from in the power distribution cost is this value. So this value is taken after deducting this value from part A solution, which is the minimum total cost distribution. Once I deduct this value, then my answer is this. So this is all in all this video. So I have provided the solution for both of the parts. So I hope you like this video. So if you need the Excel file and the solution, so you can just request me over my email address. So my email address is arunkumar9896 @gmail.com. And you can also reach me over my WhatsApp number, which is +917357186374. So this is my WhatsApp number. You just need to and insert +91 because I'm residing in India here. So this is my contact details, and I will also share my contact details in this description part of this video. So I hope you like this video, and take care. Have a great day ahead, and we'll talk soon. Bye.